Welcome to this step-by-step guide on enabling user subscriptions on your WordPress blog. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the WordPress website. You will arrive at the home page where you can see various features available to help you manage your blog effectively. Once you are on the WordPress site, look toward the top right corner of the page. There you will notice a login option that allows you to access your account. Click on this login area to proceed. This action will guide you to the login interface, setting the stage for the authentication process. After clicking login, you will see an option that says continue with Google. This option is provided to make your login process more streamlined by using your Google account credentials. Select the Continue with Google button to begin the sign-in process using your Google account information. This is a convenient and secure method, as it leverages the authentication you have already established with Google. Following the selection to continue with Google, you will be prompted to choose your Google account. If you are logged into more than one account, a list of available accounts will appear, and you will need to select the correct one that you wish to use for managing your WordPress blog. Confirm your choice to proceed further. Now that you have signed in successfully, your next task is to navigate to the settings area. Look for the settings option in your WordPress dashboard. Once you have located it, click on it to access the configuration options of your blog. This section is crucial as it houses various options that affect how your blog interacts with your audience and manages subscriptions. Within the settings, you will find a dedicated section for newsletters. Click on the newsletter option in the settings interface. This area is designed specifically to handle subscription preferences and allows you to manage how users can subscribe to receive updates from your blog. In this section, you will be given several newsletter options. The next step involves fine-tuning these newsletter options. You will notice that there are multiple options available. Carefully review the options and then look for the two specific options that need to be turned on. In this case, you are instructed to enable what is referred to as the second and third options. These particular settings are intended to enhance the subscription process and ensure that users receive important notifications and updates. With the desired settings enabled, your final task is to save these changes. Look for the button or link that allows you to save settings and click on it. Saving the settings ensures that all your changes are applied and that your subscription feature is now active. Taking the time to verify that everything is saved correctly is important, as it confirms that your blog is ready to accept new subscribers seamlessly. By following these instructions in order, you can quickly and efficiently set up your WordPress blog to allow users to subscribe and receive updates in a secure and reliable manner. Enjoy the benefits of a more engaged audience and streamlined blog management through these simple configuration changes.